Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and that's a 12 by 16 inch canvas covered with, I think, even a couple of coats of Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, which I'm going to use some more of. And a bunch of other things. And this time when I pull my swipe card through, if I have gaps, I won't care. This is supposed to be open. It was a moment ago. This is Jasmine, Primary Element. The Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold is mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. I wanted a little something something, and I'm not sure I can even get this out of the bottle, but I'd like to try. It's some frosted berry. Just looking to add something to wet the canvas, basically. I've got some periwinkle here somewhere, and some red violet. Where did I do with my periwinkle? There it is. Fluorescent periwinkle. Awesome color. It's a vivid, intense fluorescent. And this is the red violet vivid intense fluorescent. Which I'm going to double dose. And then I'm going to add some Snapdragon, which is a primary element, assuming that it's open. And I want some Chantilly lace, so I'm going to put it right there with that frosted berry. Not sure what I'm doing, but I definitely want some Mystique, which is a primary element. And I'm not even, so I'm thinking I might do a wavy swipe, just because. And kind of wondering about adding a little more Mystique. Somewhere here. And I'm craving orange. Is that the orange I want, though? I have Orange Crush, which I hope that I can get away with. Right in the middle. And I'm going to use a little bit of Frozen. Yep, it's Frozen. Now it's going to be weird thinking that I don't need to worry about leaving gaps. I've got some African Violet. Yes, that's perfect. Well, we'll see if it's perfect or not, but I'm happy with it. Maybe one more round of the red violet. Now, I've got a card. I've got black cell activator. I don't mind leaving the stripes behind. I'm going to use black and white, Amsterdam black and white with Australian Floetrol. I was a lot nervous about trying to make it the full distance, so I'm probably going to alternate back and forth like I did on the last one. And I might tip. I'm definitely going to wipe off my card. I keep attempting to remember to put the cell activator on the actual canvas, and I don't seem to do a very good job of it. So far, it's worked with the card. Kind of inclined to come back over here and maybe do something extraordinary with an acetate tool. I make these myself. I'm thinking about making them for other people. They look flimsy, but mine has lasted a year. Oh, I like that flame. All right, I'm going to wipe that off. Do the same thing on the other side because I can. The cells are turning out great. Unexpected idea. Yep, that's different. Use my leftover cell activator right on the edge of the canvas and do one last. I'll go from, it might be more than one. It looks like it's going to be two. I should have probably measured my card, or at least measured the painting and made the card the right width. But I think as long as it's a wavy swipe, I'm not going to worry about it, especially since we added those little flame marks, which I'm probably going to do again in a second. See that white down there? Just break it up a little bit. Do the same thing I've been doing. I like the black in all the odd places. Was enough paint. I'm going to have to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but I am almost done. I really like that flame shape. So let me grab a card. It's not as wide, but I think will work perfectly well. And although it might seem a little bit of a waste of the of the gold canvas, it's really not, because it wasn't. It wasn't covering as well as I needed it to. So you just push the paint. And now I'm going to, yep. I'm going to do it one more time. First I'm going to push that paint off. I sort of messed up the last one, but I think I can fake it. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with any of that. And now it's time, time for me to shimmer that at you. Pop some bubbles, if they'll pop. Be nice if they left little gold spots behind, which they could do. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe a finger. That one little white spot is bugging me. don't mind using my tool to do some additional mark making. Now I'm going to torch. This would make a great pattern on something at Spring or the Gallerist or even Society 6, Fine Art America, Pixels.com. They're all underneath. They're either underneath the video, Spring is, or they're on my link tree. Did I get everything? So I'm not going to mind the gold left behind. It's definitely different technique. It's a good experiment, I think, and I'm going to shimmer it at you. Oh, that's beautiful. If it comes out half as nice as it is now, it'll be pretty nice. I'm always a little nervous about using the white cell activator. And I don't need to actually cover up anything on the edges because there's gold there. It's maybe not the most composed accidental art, but it is beautiful. And next time I might start some of my mark making with my acetate tool from the center. Wow. I kind of want to, oh, I so want to add a spiral there. Just one? Can I really? I don't think so. Yeah, I think a few spirals will make me feel like it has more of a composition that I had something to do with. Rainbow Ocean, I think. Just a few little spirals here and there. It made all the difference to me. I think I could have tipped too. There's enough paint on here, surprisingly. I keep trying to cover up the gold and I don't want to. It's just instinct. Well, there you go. There's a shimmer fest for you. I love you guys. Please share my videos if you have a mind to, and watching them longer and leaving me a comment are both helpful to my YouTube channel. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I'm hoping that I can shimmer. Maybe I should get right down off my ladder and shimmer it close up. I am loving this. Just pull a little spiral into that gold gap. And this one. So, you're never stuck with what you've got. You can always do something else. Wowza. I love the gold showing through. So what have I forgotten to tell you? I have 30 playlists of 100 videos, and they're also organized by topic and genre. Please leave me a comment if you're interested in having a playlist. Questions are encouraged and welcomed. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I have a membership for $9.99 a month, and I place videos in a members-only library. There's over 110 there right now. This is tremendous. I'm going to absolutely love reproducing parts of this. Are gorgeous, celly, and becoming more so with the Australian Floetrol, which reminds me, you can get that at Pixel Paint Designs, and there's a 10% off coupon code underneath the video near the 20% off coupon code for Color Art products. Prizm Pours, Primary Elements, Vivid Intense Fluorescence. There's all kinds of great stuff there. You might want to check that out. And I'm an affiliate, so you help me if you purchase some. And I really appreciate that. The same as I appreciate you shopping my Amazon link, where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. The first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. This is just becoming more and more beautiful as I stand here. And whatever I said that was even the vaguest bit derogatory, just ignore it. I am going to pick up this color and fill in a little bit of that one space. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for everything, your kind words and your donations. If you'd like to make a donation through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and you really help me buy art supplies and keep me bringing tutorials. It's a no-profit margin type deal, and if I could sell a painting, it would be awesome. My paint pouring recipes are below. Show more. Sorry, I got distracted by the ooh shiny. Anyway, so I love you guys, and I hope you come again. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see you then. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.